It's 3.0 testing day. I'm here with the crew. I'm sitting in the Lightning truck. I've got my laptop here so I can show off some of the new features of 3.0. Quick setup on what we've got going on. We've got Greenzie Dev 22, one of our test mowers out here, mowing this baseball field. We've got our robotic technician, Leoric and David Jensen, are running a few tests. They should normally be doing other work while this is going, but we've got multiple tests running. They're working on this mower over here. Wanted to show you 3 of the new features for 3.0 in addition to the numerous amount of fixes we've made to make landscapers more productive. I'm gonna jump back in the truck so I can show you what's going on here. If you pull up your phone and you scan the QR code on that mower way over there in the field, you will see the progress. This is Greenzie Dev 22. It's doing great. It's probably got about 11 minutes remaining. And everything looks good, and you can see it striping. I'm going to go over the 3 new features. They are record and repeat, no-go zones, and go-to. These 3 features, on top of the already existing super productive loading of jobs and all the other enhancements we've made throughout the 5 years that we've been doing this on Greenzie Equip Mowers, are going to make landscapers super more productive, and we can't wait to see you guys use it in the field. So it starts with this button. There's a little plus button right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to tap that button. And what we've done is we moved the map, the job perimeter, which is our standard auto striping, to here. You can also still press the button on the top of the mower, the operator control panel, to make a job, or you can click here to do it. It has a little bit of instructions on a new auto striping jobs. You can, once you do that, which is what we did here, you mow the perimeter of the area you want, and then the mower will finish that area for you. All that still works, same as 2.0, just a new interface to do it, where you do that. Next up, I'll show you the keep out zones. If you have a map and there is an obstacle, a stone, a sewer grate, a pipe, a culvert, something you do not want the mower to go into, you used to use these blockers, these red blockers. You would throw these out there, the mower would go around them. But what we've done is now allowed you to carve those out. So once you do this, you press this button and then you press add keep out zone. And then what you can do is you can go out into the field at any time and you can draw by mowing around it a circle or shape or whatever size you want. It can be as big as you want. I saw one of our engineers do this entire area over here with this sign. He marked this out, and so the mower just stayed out of this area, and then he did it manually while the mower was mowing. I see a little thing over there that you could stay around. There's it looks like a flock safety camera over there. You could go around that, carve that out, and the mower will not go into that area. Now that saves all season long. You can actually put those on your existing maps. So a lot of our customers are really looking forward to getting rid of these things and not having to use those. That feature works great, and we're going to see a lot of productivity from that. The next is record and repeat. So if instead of doing this and letting the mower auto stripe, let's say you wanted to mow this with like this and do this kind of pattern, and you really wanted to make sure it was really nice and exactly what you wanted. If you click this button and then click record new path, I'm not going to do it because again I don't want to mess up their test. The mower will say I'm starting to record, and it'll let you mow. So you can mow this entire thing exactly how you want it, and then when you come back, it's going to be a job just like one of these, except it's going to be a record and repeat job, and it will replay exactly what you did. Now, if you stop, pause to pick up some trash, the mower will actually pause, but not as long as you do. It'll pause for a second and then go. And it does that because it's trying to match your speed. So the mower will match everything you do, all the turns, and it'll do it really well. This is really nice for contouring or like a berm when there's like a culvert area and the auto striping just won't do. Like if it needs to go over this sort of bump here and these humps, it can definitely go over these, but you don't want to do it sideways, otherwise you might get the mower stuck. So you may want to do that head on. You could do this area and record and repeat, and then all season long it would do this area. And then the rest of it you can just do auto striping on. You don't need to mow this once. Let the mower figure that out. So that is really cool. And then the final feature is go to. So when you're done, which we're going to be here shortly, and we're going to want to load this mower up into the trailer here. We brought the F-250 to actually tow something. Yes, insert your the Lightning can't tow jokes here. I get it. I know that. But when you're ready, what we could do is we click on go to, and I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to mess them up. You click on go to, and then you can basically drop a pin anywhere on the map. Okay, so I could drop a pin here, and then I could click go, and the mower will go there. So again, you could use the remote control to bring the mower to you, which is what a lot of our customers do when they're done. But if you really want, you can actually get really productive, like some of our customers do, and define map areas of transport zones. So maybe they're going to park the truck here, and so they'll do a map, they'll load that map, then click go, and it'll bring the mower to them. And what's really nice is it's blades off, it avoids obstacles, and it'll be aware of any keep out zones. So if you had the mower over here and you had this as a keep out zone, it will stay away from that. It won't go in there, and it'll bring it right to you, which is nice. So we're probably going to bring it right to us so we can just load it back on the truck and head out for the day. It's the ultimate in productivity. Again, we are experts in productivity, making these mowers your best robotic workers. 3.0 is here. We're just putting the final touches on it. I would say if you're interested in the auto striping software, any of the new features on 3.0, I encourage you to give it a spin. Dealers around the nation have it, so we have extended demos available as well. Go get one, try it on your property, and it's going to change the game for you, I hope. So anyway, hit me up with questions in the comments. Let us know. There'll be a series of videos about 3.0 with more functionality and more videos about behind the scenes. That's it.